screen. Go through the glass without the screen. The wind stops as soon as you got there.
I'll take it. Or I could just test drive it. As is.
Hurry in and get $2,000 cash back on a no-9 Hyundai Sonata with America's best warranty, 175 horsepower, and better gas mileage than the Camry or Accord 4.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Betty Davis. We continue to track possible Storm FAY, a slow-moving system, but at this point, it is moving. So maybe that's the good news in all this. Moving towards the west-northwest at 2 miles an hour. Watching that center of circulation as it comes on shore here, right between Jacksonville, around Daytona Beach. You can see that heavy rainfall coming in around Gainesville, around Orlando.
The problem is, it's not as simple as the boilerplate warmer water. The atmospheric environment that the hurricanes form in is critical for individual events, and it's going to be critical in a future climate situation with the upper level winds as well.
Right.
The other trees are moving, but our tree isn't. I think it's
The fence.
it's hitting towards the front of our. I don't know. I thought it was coming like at our house, towards the front, and so everyone else's trees are whipping, but ours aren't. You can see the rain moving like horizontal. That pine's coming down. Hope you can hear the wind. That darn. That's right in front of our house. Well, I think the wind's mostly blowing to the front of our house. Cause our tree's like not moving. But if I zoom to the neighbor's tree, that thing is a tipping and a rocking.
Mama?
What?
Climb on the table. Oh, Mama. Mama.
What? Out. I guess it would be directly to my south. A little bit southwest. It is a black cloud. Oh, that's the one with the tornado? Well, it's right over our flipping house.